A workers' comp case in Ohio is any time you're injured on the job in the course and scope of your employment. So there's two requirements. It has to happen in the course and scope, which basically means while you're doing your job, furthering your employer's interest in some way, but it also has to be arising from the employment. These things are highly factually dependent, which is why you really need to speak to an attorney. There are many examples where we fight successfully to get clients workers' comp benefits where at first blush, you might think it's not arising from in the course and scope of employment, but when you start peeling back the layers of the onion, we're able to make those arguments effectively for our clients. There are certainly plenty of well-intentioned employers who have a great employee who gets hurt and they want to see that person taken care of, but it's not just your employer, your supervisor, your boss, or even the owner of your company who makes that decision. Oftentimes the decision is made by people who have no connection whatsoever to the employee. The system is what it is, and you have to jump through the hoops of the system. You have to file appeals timely. If you misstep along the way, it can make it very difficult for an attorney to get your case back on track, and sometimes it can just be impossible. It can be barred because of the passage of time.
The most important thing to know about NRS is the majority of what we do is workers' comp. So we're not dabbling in divorce cases and criminal cases. We get up in the morning and we do workers' comp. You talk to an attorney or a case manager or a paralegal, their whole day is in the world of workers' comps. They're going to know probably before you finish asking your question what the answer to that question is. And if they don't know, they absolutely know how to find out, and they will get that answer for you. And they will be able to help an injured worker navigate through a system because that's what we do.